Hello students, I am Sunny Sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of class 3, subject English. Today's thought: do not wait for tomorrow because tomorrow does not wait for you. Therefore, tomorrow always comes tomorrow. Means you should not wait for an opportunity to come to you. You should build your opportunities yourself. You have to make opportunities. You have to take the chances. Don't wait for tomorrow. Do it today. The good habits that all of you should follow: get up early in the morning every day, brush your teeth daily, have a bath daily, do your homework and then go out for playing. Always use dustbin. Wash your hands before and after eating. Eat healthy food. Respect elders. In today's video, we will continue with revision for Essay 2. Chapter number 8, You Can't Be That. Summary of the lesson, and then we will revise the notes of the chapter and the worksheet as well. So you should write this one time in your rough book while revising. Let us begin. So chapter number 8, You Can't Be That. Notes of the chapter. Give the heading of chapter number 8. It is a poem, You Can't Be That. So first we shall revise the hard words of the poem. Do write it one time. I will give enough time for you to write it so that while watching the video you can write it easily without missing a single word. Number 1, SCIENTIST, scientist. SCIENTIST, scientist. SCIENTIST, scientist. Number 2, LAWER, lawyer. LAWER, lawyer. LAWER, lawyer. Number 3, OCEAN, ocean. OCEAN, ocean. OCEAN, ocean. Number 4, PROGRAMMER, programmer. PROGRAMMER, programmer. PROGRAMMER, programmer. Number 5, BEAUTICIAN, beautician. BEAUTICIAN, beautician. BEAUTICIAN, beautician. Number 6, CRANNIES, crannies. CRANNIES, crannies. CRANNIES, crannies. Number 7, FOUNTAINS, fountains. FOUNTAINS, fountains. FOUNTAINS, fountains. Number 8, UNICORNS, unicorns. unicorns, 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 unicorns. Number 9, ambition, 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 ambition. Number 10, magician, 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 magician. 11, realize, 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 realize. Number 12, understand, 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 understand. Now, let us learn the meanings, revise the meanings, and write one time in rough book. Give the heading meanings. Number 1, MC, Master of Ceremony. MC, Master of Ceremony. MC, Master of Ceremony. Learn the spelling. MASTER, Master, CEREMONY, Ceremony. Number 2, DJ, Disc Jockey. DJ, Disc Jockey. DJ, Disc Jockey. DISC JOCKEY, Disc Jockey. DISC, Disc, JOCKEY, Jockey. Number 3, Nooks, Corners. Nooks, Corners. Nooks, Corners. Spelling CORNERS, corners. CORNERS, corners. CORNERS, corners. Number 4, crannies, crack. Crannies, crack. Crannies, crack. Spelling CRACK, crack. CRACK, crack. Number 5, glad, dell. Glad, dell. Glad, dell. DALE, dell. DALE, dell. I hope all of you are writing this one time. So I am going at a very slow speed so that you can write one time and read and learn with me. Give one word. So give the next heading. Give one word. Now we are learning GOW. Give one word. Number 1, a person who designs, writes and tests computer programs is called computer programmer. A person who designs, writes and tests computer programs is called a computer programmer. See, the spelling of computer is given, copy that as it is. Programs is given, instead of this S, see here is S. There you have to write R. Only one alphabet you have to change. Programs, programmer, just write R, and the whole spelling as it is, copy that here. Computer is given, copy it. Programs, you have to write programmer. Person who designs, writes and tests computer programs is called computer programmer. Spelling COMPUTER, computer, PROGRAMMER, programmer. Number 2. A person whose job is to give people beauty treatment. Beautician. A person whose job is to give people beauty treatment. Beautician. BEAUTICIAN, beautician. BEAUTICIAN, beautician. A person whose job is to give people beauty treatment. Beautician. Number 3. A building where horses are kept. Stable. A building where horses are kept. Stable. STABLE, stable. STABLE, stable. A building where horses are kept. Stable. Magical horse-like animals with one horn on their forehead. Unicorns. See, one horn is there on the forehead. These are animals that look like horse. Magical horse-like animals with one horn on their forehead. Unicorns. UNICORNS, unicorns. UNICORNS, unicorns. Next topic we have is true or false. Read the sentence and say whether it is true or false. So already we have learnt the poem, we have revised the poem. Now let us learn the true or false. Write it one time in rough book. Number 1. The speaker in the poem is a child. True, because in this poem you can't be that. In the stanza it is given. What do they think? Then they think of the poet as a child. From the poem lines we come to know that the poet is a child. It is true. The speaker in the poem is a child. True. Number 2. The speaker dreams of becoming a scientist. False. He says that he does not want to become scientist, engineer or pilot. Right? He says he dislikes that. So it is false. The speaker dreams of becoming a scientist. It is false because he does not wish to be scientist. False. Number 3. The speaker wants to be a million birds flying through trees. Yes. Is it? The speaker wants to be a million birds flying through trees. False. Because the speaker does not want to be a bird. The speaker wants to become a big tree where the birds live, where the birds build the nests. So the speaker wants to be a tree, not a bird. So it is false. Number 4. The speaker wants to be an ocean. True. In the poem, he says that he wants to be a big ocean. So it is true. The speaker wants to be an ocean. True. Next, number 5. The speaker has a secret no one else understands. So that is correct. True. The speaker has the secret that no one else can understand. His secret only he can understand. That he is a magician. He can become anything he wishes to become. So it is true. Then next. Topic we have is question answers. It is the last topic which you have written in the fair book. So let us revise the question answers of the poem. Number 1. List any 4 things that the speaker does not want to become. Any 4 things we have to write which the speaker does not like, he does not want to become. He does not want to be a scientist, a pilot, a lawyer, or an MC. What does he not want to become? He does not want to be a scientist. He does not want to be a pilot, a lawyer, or an MC. He does not like all these professions. See, scientist, pilot, the scientists, they perform the experiments in the lab, whereas the pilot, they drive the planes, they fly the planes. Number 2. List any 4 things the speaker wants to be. What does he want to become? What does he likes? What does he like to become? He wants to be a tree, an ocean, a range of mountains, and a stable. What does he want to become? He wants to be a tree, an ocean, a range of mountains, and a stable. The poet wants to become a tree, an ocean, range of mountains, and a stable. He wants to become all these things. See, here it is given stable, tree, magician, river. He wants to become all these things. Number 3. Who does not understand the speaker? Who is not understanding his feelings? Who does not understand the speaker? Older members of his family do not understand him. Older members, the elderly people in the family, do not understand him. They say to him, "You can't be that. No, you can't be that." So that way they say, "You can't be that." Number 4. Do you think the speaker is really a magician? Do you really think that that poet is really a magician as he said in the poem? So the answer is no, he is not a magician. He is not a magician, but he says that he is a magician because he can become anything that he wants to be. So actually he is not a magician, but he assumes he is. Number 5. Who is the speaker in the poem? You can't be that. Who has spoken means who is the poet over here, you can say. So the answer is Brian Patton. That is the name of the speaker. This is very important, students. You should know that whose poem you are reading. So the poet's name you should remember, right? Brian, Brian. Patten, Patton. Brian Patton is the speaker in the poem. So now let us revise the worksheet of the poem. Poem 8, You Can't Be That. We are revising the worksheet. Even this worksheet has to be written one time in rough book. First is multiple choice questions, MCQ. Number 1. What does MC stand for in the poem You Can't Be That? A. Master of computers. B. Magician of ceremony. C. Master of celebration. D. Master of ceremony. So the answer is Master of ceremony. MC stands for Master of ceremony. Number 2. Which of these does the poet call himself in the poem You Can't Be That? What does the poet call himself? Child, unicorn, magician, or tree? The child calls himself a magician. In the poem You Can't Be That, calls himself a magician. He can become anything he wants to be. Number 3. In the poem You Can't Be That, which of these do streams flow through? From where do the streams flow through? Option A, glade. Option B, mountain. Option C, ocean. Option D, stable. So the answer is mountain. The streams flow through mountain. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The poet says he is going to be a dash and dash, a range of dash, but people tell him you can't be that. So the answers are tree, ocean, and mountains. The poet says he is going to be a tree, an ocean, a range of mountains. Number 2. A million birds will fly through me. Dash. I am going to be a tree. Number 3. Huge whales will swim in me. I am going to be an ocean. Fill in the blanks with the double letters to spell the words. Here the blanks will be given. You have to write the double letters. Like here it is written double L. MILLION. Million. Number 2. PROGRAMMER. Programmer. Number 3. ANNOUNCER. Announcer. Number 4. CRANNIES. 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 Number 5. VALLEYS. 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 Match the following. Number 1. Nook, corner. Nook, corner. Number 2. Glad, meadow. Glad, meadow. Number 3. Stream, brook. Stream, brook. Number 4. Magician, wizard. Magician, wizard. Number 5. Ambition, desire. Ambition, desire. Find the professions and underline them. Big words are given. From that we have to find the professions and underline. A person who designs buildings. What is that person called who designs building? Architect. 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 Person who designs buildings is called architect. A doctor who cares for your teeth is called dentist. A doctor who cares for your teeth is called dentist. 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 A person who extracts minerals from deep under the earth is called miner. 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 Person who extracts minerals from deep under the earth is called miner. See, this person is miner. A person who can perform certain rites. What he can perform certain rites? That is PRIEST. 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 Read the lines from the poem and answer the questions that follow. So the line is given, they do not realize that I can fulfill any ambition. Who are they? They refers to adults, the adults of the family, the elderly people, adults of the family. They do not realize means the adults, the elderly people of the family do not realize. Who is I? I refers to the speaker. I means the speaker, the poet himself. How can the speaker fulfill any ambition? The speaker can fulfill any ambition because he thinks he is a magician. See, a magician can perform magic tricks and he can do anything. Same way, the speaker, the poet thinks of himself as a magician, and so he thinks that he can do anything, he can become anything that he wants to be. So here we complete the worksheet also. Let's see what we learnt in worksheet. We saw MCQ. How many did we see? We saw 3 of them. Fill in the blanks we saw. After that, double letters, fill in the blanks. Then we saw match the following. Then underline the professions. And finally we saw the reference to context, the question answers. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.